Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What is doing today? For those of you that are new to my channel, thank you so much. This is going to be our breastfeeding series. I want to talk about something very important. Yeah, this is a series of our breastfeeding video, and in today's video, for those of you that are new to my channel, please subscribe. Yes, please subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel down there, and thumbs up the video, please, if you love this video and you love motherhood, you love my baby, you love me. oh my baby, sorry, you're gonna breastfeed now. Just give me a few minutes, okay? Give me a few minutes. Sugar. Yeah, give me a few minutes, okay? Sorry. My baby, recently, when I had my baby, I started off using formula, and even when I had my first child, I was mixing formula and breast milk. But lately, like 3 weeks ago, my baby formed an habit to stop the formula. He wants to be having more of the breast milk, and he doesn't even want to have the formula anymore. I don't know what to do. First of all, it's not as if I can't exclusively breastfeed my baby, but the point is my breast milk doesn't produce as much as it's supposed to produce, so thereby I know it's not going to be sufficient for him at all. It's not. So I don't even know what to do right now. You give him his formula. I don't know if I should try another formula, or I should go ahead with this one I'm using. I don't just know what to do. But today's topic, I want to talk about breastfeeding as a Christian woman. What is your thought? What's your thoughts regards modest breastfeeding? As a breastfeeding mom, what is the best place to breastfeed your child? Or where is the best place to breastfeed your child? What is the best thing to do whilst breastfeeding your child? You know, as a Christian woman in this 2023-2024. Let me know in the comment section if you're a breastfeeding mother, if you're a man watching me and you see a breastfeeding woman, how do you feel? If you're a man watching me and you see a woman bringing out all her breasts, breastfeeding a baby, does it turn you on? How does it make you feel? Let's be honest. You're a man, you see a breastfeeding woman now, and she has really, God bless her with a nice breast, firm, pointed and everything, but she's a breastfeeding mom. Does it make you feel somehow? Does it make you start feeling, oh, I wish I'm the one sucking this baby, sucking this breast? Does it make you feel, I don't know, does it make you feel strange? Let me know, because instead of holding on to how you felt. Yes, so baby. So I have to put my baby to breast because the topic today is about breastfeeding. So as a man, like I asked the question, please leave your honest reply in the comment section. Then as a Christian woman in this age and time, how is the best way to breastfeed? Do you just open up everywhere and I'm a breastfeeding mother, I have to breastfeed my baby? Yes, you should be able to breastfeed your child anywhere. The park, train station, airports, aircraft, inside the aircraft, school, church, everywhere. Of course, I breastfeed my child anywhere and everywhere. It's also the aspect of modesty. For those of us who got blessed with a particular kind of shape of breast, I don't expect a man, I'm speaking from a woman's point of view right now, please don't get me wrong, I don't expect a breastfeeding mother bringing out her breast, breastfeeding her child, and a guy is somewhere getting turned on, getting aroused because of a mother that is breastfeeding her child. I don't know if that even really happens. Secondly, there is an aspect of modesty, of course. I'm speaking as a Christian woman. This way is better. You know, you cover up the important parts and leave the areola area, the nipple area for the, you can't, of course you can't even suffocate the baby because you're trying to breastfeed your child. You have to take off the clothes a bit so the baby can be comfortable whilst breastfeeding, because at the end of the day, To me, if it was a normal me, I'm breastfeeding my child. Let me bring out everything and breastfeed my child. It's like feeding your child. This is the baby's food. So if anybody is there trying to get turned on because I'm breastfeeding my child, that is your business. But because we are trying to be considerate as a Christian woman, we are trying to be considerate as a mother. The truth is, as a Christian girl that I am, I can decide to wear very skimpy things. I can decide to show my body. I can decide to do anything I want to do because I feel it's my body. Like, I'm not doing it to entice you or to make you arouse. You know, understand? But at the end of the day, it doesn't make you look responsible. It doesn't make you godly. Back to the breastfeeding aspect now. I can decide to show off everything, especially my breast, and take off this load, and I'm breastfeeding my child. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. Like, I'm breastfeeding, for Christ's sake. I'm feeding my child. So, but there's aspect of modesty, to be honest. There's aspect of modesty in it. Covering it up, covering the important part up. Firstly, because your body is the temple of our Lord Jesus Christ. Our body is the temple. Having that consciousness alone, having that understanding alone will keep you in check every time. Trust me, honestly, I won't even use this thing to cover. I'm breastfeeding my child. I should be able to be comfortable breastfeeding my child anywhere, anytime, any day, anywhere and everywhere, basically. But that our body is a temple of Christ, that I'm an intentional Christian. If it was me when I was in the world those years, I don't send anybody. I don't send anybody, Papa. I'll bring out my breast and breastfeed my child anytime. But having that consciousness now, being intentional with my work with God, you know, being intentional, basically. I work on myself, work on the way. When I was breastfeeding my older son, I bring out my breast everywhere, anywhere. Yes, I'm breastfeeding my child. So if you're a guy out there and you're feeling like, hey, now wow, this breast, why would she bring out? That's your business, because I'm feeding my child. Basically. Anyway, leave all your thoughts in the comment section of this video. I want to know what you guys think of about modest breastfeeding. For the ladies, for the women watching me, let me know in the comment section. Is it? I know it's right, so I don't even want to. I'm not even asking if it's right to just look modest whilst breastfeeding. I'm not asking that. My question is, why do men feel, is it true? Let me ask the question. Is it true that some men feel aroused? They feel somehow seeing a woman breastfeeding a child. They feel like, hey, I wish I'm the one they are breastfeeding. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Then for the men watching me, I want you to tell me, do you feel somehow when you see a woman breastfeeding a child in one particular way or the other? Do you feel somehow? Just be honest, tell me. Do you feel it's right? Of course it's right. So I know it's right. That's the right thing to do. So, but what do you think? What do you think? Let me know in the comment section of this video. If you are seeing this video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want more of breastfeeding topic, you know, breastfeeding topic related, I can be breastfeeding and we are chatting about something. I'm still a breastfeeding mother, and I intend to breastfeed my child till he's 2, till he's 3. I said 3. I'm giving this boy 3 years. 3 years breastfeeding. Anyway, that's it for this video. Catch me up in my next vlog. Please subscribe. I'm begging you, subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up this video. Leave all your thoughts in the comment section of this video. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe because of this beautiful, lovely baby. Sugar suck now. Subscribe because of this beautiful, lovely baby, okay? And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. God bless you all, and thank you so much. God bless you all, and thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.
Instead of holding on to how you felt, so don't be afraid to go on and reach out. I know it sounds conflicting, but being sad can be addicting. awful, still easier than committing.